How are you doing, sir?
Pleasure to meet you.
Excellent, likewise. Adamo, are you having fun at SEMA first?
It's been fantastic.
Right, excellent. Okay.
It's been fantastic. The booth here is hopping.
Yeah?
A lot of walking.
Yes. Yeah, and before we get too far into this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll even give you like a couple seconds to subscribe here. Okay, you should have done it by now. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the man's channel. Great content, wonderful human being as well. The other thing is you can actually hype this video. So if you go down below, hit the like, and as soon as you hit the like, the little hype flag will come up. Hit that, give them some hype points. It's very appreciated. So you wanted to talk about the new pad and compound?
Pad and compound.
Okay, well, let me put the DA down and pick up the rotary then. Always start with a clean, damp pad. We have rinseless wash, diluted 256:1. A little sprayer here. We'll go over our pad cleaning apparatus. Then we'll add 3 drops, not 4, not 5, not a line around, no line on the paint. So 3 small drops of the compound, and let's find some scratches here. We have some there. Can you see them there, Adamo?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Speed 1. As soon as you start it, see it starting to clear up, you're done cutting.
That's when it's done?
Yeah.
So that's its indication?
That's your indication. You can see how much clear coat I've got accumulated on the pad. Time to clean the pad. But with our system, we don't want you to work more than you have to. Meaning, don't wipe off the compound residue. Go straight to polish.
Really?
Yeah.
So this will finish as well?
Yeah. As always, rinseless damp and towel. A nice dry towel to follow up.
Buffing towel. Oh wow. Look at that.
So remember those scratches?
Yeah.
They're faded into memory. Oh, the finishing step with the dual action I did with gold standard polish.
Yes.
Yeah, but you don't need to wipe off the compound. When you change the carriers, so the carrier, the gel carrier, once it's spent, you putting the new carrier of the gold standard polish on, it changes the cutting action of the compound, reducing it. So the gold standard with that, and you have the beautiful finish.
Efficiency.
That's sort of what I do. Yeah.
You're known for it. So.
Exactly.
That is amazing. Is it available right now?
Yes, it is. So DIYDetail.com, and I think there's a code Adamo10. Adamo, just Adamo. So you're getting 10%. Don't worry about it. But yes, so it's Adamo. Excellent. So
thank you so much, Yvan.
Thank you.
Your time.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks, everybody. Thank you, Yvan.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.